Agent 00’, one of the biggest and funniest creators in the streaming world. But just how much money is Agent 00 really making? From his humble beginnings, crazy YouTube videos, and iconic gaming streams, we're diving deep into his income sources, net worth, and how he spends that money, or how he calls it pocket watching. Agent 00’, real name Din Mukta, is a Canadian YouTuber, streamer, and content creator. Blew up thanks to his hilarious NBA 2K content, funny reaction videos, and his crazy energy on streams. Agent 00 has been grinding since around 2013, but it wasn't always easy. Back in the day, he was known for his bigger frame, but what really stood out was his personality. Over the years, he's not only built a massive audience, but also completely transformed his life. All right, let's talk money. How much does Agent 00 really make? Let's break it down by category. First, YouTube ad revenue. Agent 00’s main channel has over 1 million subscribers and hundreds of millions of views. Let's estimate he averages around 1.5 million views per month. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, ranges between $3 to $7, so let's use $5 CPM. That's roughly $7,500 per month, or about $90,000 per year from YouTube ads alone. Second, sponsorships. Agent has had various sponsorships from Bang Energy, Tone Skincare, Dr. Squatch, Postmates, and many others, bringing in an estimated $50,000 to $100,000 per year. You wish that was you, huh? Next, Twitch. Agent streams regularly, bringing in thousands of viewers. Twitch revenue comes from subs, about $2.50 each, donations, and bits. Estimated income, $100,000 plus per year. So let's look at our notes. $90,000 from YouTube ads, $150,000 from sponsors, and another $100,000 from Twitch, equaling $340,000 a month. So, to wrap it up, Agent 00 is probably earning between $3.2 to $4.8 million a year from YouTube, sponsorships, and streams, plus being a member of AMP. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below which creator we should pocket watch next.